Hearing a lot about Binance and want to know exactly how it works? Well, we're here to explain. To begin, Binance is the world's largest crypto exchange. You need to deposit your funds to start trading. Binance accepts fiat and cryptocurrency from bank accounts and external wallets. To deposit USD on Binance, log into your account. Under the Wallet tab, click Deposit. Select USD at the drop-down menu, choose the amount, ACH amount, and click Continue to complete the process. To deposit crypto, just log in. Click on Fiat and Spot, and on Deposit, select the Crypto tab. Choose the amount of crypto, and if it's issued on multiple networks, select the specific network you want to deposit on. Depositing BNB requires deposit address and memo to copy and paste them in the appropriate fields of the wallet you're depositing from. Tap on BNB in your Trust wallet and tap Send. On this page, paste the deposit address and memo, or use your phone camera to scan the QR code. Confirm the transaction and check your incoming deposit in transaction history on Binance. To buy Bitcoin on Binance, tap Buy on the top left. Select the fiat currency you want to pay with, select Bank Transfer and P2P add. Enter the amount you want to purchase, tap Buy BTC, press the payment page, and add your bank details. Once the seller receives the amount, they will release your assets. To transfer crypto from Binance to FaucetPay, log in. Select Withdraw at the top. Select Coin. To paste your withdrawal address, go to your FaucetPay account. Click Deposit, scroll down, and copy Binance address and paste it at the withdrawal page. The page will detect the best network for you. Then choose Amount and select Withdraw. Then click Continue to verify your phone and email code. Then within 12 hours, your withdrawal request will get response of acceptance. Then the amount will be transferred to your FaucetPay.